Okay, this is the morning of the big cleanup. It is cold this morning, and I understand that the snakes will stay away during the cold. So, anyway, we're getting ready.
It'll be nice when we get all this junk cleared out.
It will be clean. It will be nice. We're glad to see it clean. So yes, I did cut the string on the tarp on this end.
The heck's that thing?
What's that?
Probably part of the heater.
Probably what, dear?
This is probably part of that heater. The stuff.
Oh, no, that's part of, yeah, that's part of the stuff from the fireplace.
Oh, it's fireplace stuff. Okay.
Yeah, yeah. So yes.
There's those two bins in the corner I was interested
And there's two bags that I've already packed over there.
Okay.
They can come down, but they're still light. And we're gonna have definitely for sure the well house emptied out. And after that, if there's any room left, we will look at emptying things from the garage. If not, that'll wait until another time and we'll get a smaller container. We'll see how much we can get in here today. And we're waiting for help to arrive. We did have a gentleman knock on the door looking for work, and I told him the only thing that I was aware of that we might need some help with or want some help with was loading up the garbage. And I told him that I had intended to do it myself, and he was quite surprised by that. But no, anyway, he said he would bring somebody, and hopefully they'll get the job done in a couple of hours. So that'll be good, and he's expected to arrive, probably in about 20 minutes or so. Now, they don't take tires, so the tires will be dealt with in another way, another means, but hopefully we can get a lot of this stuff cleared out. Okay, the well house is now pretty much emptied out of everything except this last underlay, and of course the tank for the well. And this room is salvageable. Not too bad. The floor is concrete, which is nice. That is the one blessing here. We're just pulling out the last of the layers and layers of carpet and underlay. I keep telling Mark somebody lived in this little place. And the side room is wow. Wow. Yeah, the roof is coming down, and we're debating whether to take out this side room altogether and just have the one room, or repair this one. And yes, we have a bathtub that has to come out,
and a hole in the wall
and the shower up there, and of course the back wall has deteriorated. There's a hole there, and I don't know what this mess is down here, but yeah, we will be taking this carpet out today and probably airing this room out for a short while, and it'll probably be used for some storage of non-valuables, let's put it that way. So for the time being, so that's it until of course we fix it up. Then it'll be either a storage room or my canning room, or Lord knows what, gardening room whenever I might have a chance to garden in here. Anyway, we do have a lock on the door. We took the lock from the house, the original lock on the house, and put it here, where we put brand new locks on the house itself. Now we may get this one also, change the lock on it and just have one key for all three doors, for this one and the two on the back and front on the house as well. So this is where we are. I'm going to show you the full bin. We've had a couple of fellows here today, and they've been loading and loading and loading this 20-yard bin. We've got everything from the well house, of course, except the bathtub and the sink. And we have some things from the garage. There was just too much to put into the 20-foot or 20-yard container. And then today I spent after the fellows left, I spent a lot of time picking through leaves in the garage so that the garage itself, I mean, there was styrofoam mixed amongst the leaves, which drives me nuts. All kinds of garbage mixed against these leaves. I've got most of it. Definitely I'll be picking out garbage from here till doomsday. You see another piece of plastic already. You know, these are the things I'm picking out. Most of the styrofoam is gone. And now I just have to bring my blower in here, and we will have a gorgeous, gorgeous, at least slab and steel roof for this garage. It does need siding, and it does need a couple of doors, but the basics are here. And of course, a note of interest is a 1999 Heart of Dixie, Alabama license plate. So there you have it. And of course, all the extra garbage is still in this room. And when we feel like it, come back in the fall, whatever the case is, we will get a 10-yard bin, and Mark and I will empty this one out ourselves. And then this one will become a storage room. And it too has carpet. I've been finding carpet under everything. It drives me crazy. Like, all the old carpets were brought up to the well house and to the garage, and just been, you know, there's carpet there that has to be pulled out. Now I believe this is one whole slab, but it looks like it may not be. This may be wood, or maybe they put wood over the slab. I have no idea. So we'll find out when we clean this room out, but this is for a later date. I'm done. The cleanup is been quite the chore, and Mark is working on the burn barrel now. For anything that he can burn, we did not put into the 20-yard container, and it's a matter now of how soon do we call this. We've got this container for a couple more days, and can we put anything else in it? After it's done, it's all good. You know, little by little. What do they say? How do you take down an elephant? One bite at a time. Yeah. That's all we can chew, is one bite at a time. So my fig tree is beautiful. Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful. Love it. Got these gorgeous figs on it all over the place. Let's see. I'm seeing figs. So, like right here, there's more. There's just figs everywhere. It'll be wonderful. So Mark tells me he's already put the sink in the bin. I don't see it, but I don't really care. Oh, I see it now. Okay.
Left side.
Yeah, and this is Mark's. The well house is Mark's seating spot whenever he's got a burn barrel going, so he can keep an eye on it and hose it down if necessary. So, yeah, quite a useful little spot. It's just so many spider webs. A lot to clean up here. It'll be, I don't know, what do you do first? Obviously the house. You would think. Anyway, we're good. I guess carpet's next. We're going to take a bit of a break and then we'll come back. Okay, I've finally got all the garbage, well, 99% of the garbage out of the garage. It is, I have an old termite infested piano that probably at some point Mark's going to have to get a sawzall at to take it apart, because it is heavy, even if it is termite infested. I guess the soundboard, which is the heavy part, will have to be separated from the wood. And this is garbage. And of course, there's a little bit of dirt just under that. But other than that, this has been blown clean. Oh, and we have tires in the corner. And we did find this box full of new hose parts for a wet dry vac. And Mark has a wet dry vac, so we took that. Oh, and looks like this TV still is here. Now, we were not allowed to put tires in the container, so they're still here. We have to find another means of getting rid of them. And there was dog beds underneath this, all gone. I thought I had all the carpets, but looks like I still have one. And this will go out later. I have no idea what the rocks in this cat bed were for. Personally, I have no idea what that was, but I just didn't feel up to moving rocks today. But this garage is full double, and definitely usable as is. I told Mark, don't say I never do anything for him, because I cleaned this out all by myself. So that is the whole garage there. Now, as I said, there is a other section to the garage, and when we get another bin, which won't be for a while, it'll probably be a 10-yard instead of a 20, and we will do this section. So, all done. That was our day cleaning. Oh, and what did I do? I took the blower and I blew out all the grass, all the leaves off to the side, so that Mark could pull up into either one of these garage bays, should he want to. Next year, well, the leaves are a little bit much for me, and I spent so much time separating styrofoam dishes and garbage from these leaves. Drove me nuts. I don't know how people could be so ignorant. But, yeah, there were hundreds of styrofoam bits and pieces nestled in amongst these leaves, and even things like this. And I thought I had most of it, but obviously I'm still finding garbage, and I probably will for a while to come. So we do have this bin here to continue to collect bits and pieces as we find them. Okay, the container, bin, disposal unit, whatever you call them, is full, and we'll probably call them tomorrow to come and take it away. So that was a quick job, get it done in one day. As I said, we still have more. We'll get that on the next run in a smaller bin.